stop scrolling, because the two coins in your pocket right now can look totally normal, while secretly being the coins collectors check first. I'm talking about the 50-cent euro and the 2 euro coin, two everyday pieces of change that can turn into something much bigger depending on just a few details. In this video, we're doing a fast, real-world check. No boring lecture, no confusing words. I'll show you exactly what to look for on both coins: the country side, the year, the condition, and the tiny signs that separate just spending money from a coin that people actually keep, collect, and pay extra for. Because with euro coins, the year is not the full story. The country and the quality are where the value hides. And here's the important part. The 2 euro coin is the collector king, because it can be commemorative, special designs made for events and anniversaries, and sometimes those are worth more than face value even when they're used. Meanwhile, the 50-cent euro can surprise you in high grade or in the right country issue, especially if it still has that clean mint shine and sharp details. So before you spend any 50-cent or 2 euro coin, pause for 10 seconds. Take them out, hold them by the edges, and look closely, because one small difference can change the value completely. Welcome coin lovers and old money collectors. Today we are talking about the 2002 50-cent euro coin, one of the first coins released when the euro currency started in Europe. Many people have this coin in their pocket change and think it is just normal money. But the truth is, the value of a 2002 50-cent euro coin depends on condition, country mint, grade, and rarity. First, let's understand the coin itself. The 2002 50-cent euro coin is made from Nordic gold alloy and shows a national design on the front and a common European design on the back. Different euro countries like France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and others all release their own 2002 versions. Some are common, while some are harder to find in high-quality condition. Now let's talk about circulated value. A circulated 2002 50-cent euro coin means the coin has been used in daily transactions. It may have scratches, dull color, small marks, and worn details. In normal circulated condition, most 2002 50-cent euro coins are worth only face value, which is 50 cents. However, collectors may still pay slightly more for clean circulated examples. Typical circulated value range is 50 cents to 1 euro and 50 cents depending on condition and country. If the coin has heavy wear, fading, or damage, then it usually stays at face value only. Dirty, rusted, or damaged coins are not attractive to collectors. Now let's move to uncirculated value. An uncirculated 2002 50-cent euro coin means it was never used in circulation. The coin will have original shine, sharp details, and no wear on the high points. These coins are more desirable for collectors because they show the original mint quality. A standard uncirculated 2002 50-cent euro coin value is usually 2 euros to 5 euros for common countries. If the coin comes from a lower mintage country or is in brilliant uncirculated BU condition with strong luster, the value can increase to 6 euros to 10 euros. Next is high-grade collector value. High-grade coins are graded as MS65, MS66, or higher by collectors and grading standards. These coins look almost perfect with strong shine, no scratches, and full design clarity. A high-grade 2002 50-cent euro coin, especially from countries like Monaco, Vatican, if applicable sets, or limited mint sets, can be worth 10 euros to 40 euros or more in top condition. Proof coins are even more valuable. If your 2002 50-cent euro coin is a proof version from a collector set, it can reach 15 euros to 50 euros depending on packaging and preservation. Another important factor is mint errors. Error coins always attract strong collector interest. If your 2002 50-cent euro coin has misprint, off-center strike, double strike, or unusual design flaw, the value can jump higher than normal coins. Rare error examples can sell between 20 euros to 100 euros plus depending on the error type and visibility. Also check the country mark. For example, coins from smaller mint countries or low production years can have slightly better demand compared to high mintage coins like Germany or France standard circulation pieces. Condition checklist for higher value. Strong golden shine. Sharp edges and details. No scratches or damage. Original mint luster. No cleaning marks. Important warning: do not clean the coin. Cleaning reduces collector value and can turn a high-grade coin into a low-value piece instantly. In conclusion, the 2002 50-cent euro coin is usually a common coin in circulation, but in uncirculated, high-grade, proof, or error condition, it can become a collectible piece worth much more than face value. Always check the condition, mint origin, and surface quality before spending it. That small coin in your collection could be more special than it looks. Stop for a moment, because a 2008 €2 coin is one of those coins that can fool people. In your hand it looks like normal pocket change, and most of the time it is. But in the euro world, the €2 coin is special because it has the biggest collector scene. Some versions are common, some are clearly collectible, and a few can surprise you if they are in high grade, commemorative, or have a real mint error. The year 2008 is only the beginning. The real story is the country, the condition, and the details. First, look at the two sides. One side is the common euro design, and the other side is the national design from the country that issued it. That country side matters a lot. Two people can both have a 2008 €2 coin and still have two different coins, because the national side design changes by country. So the first step is simple: identify the country and the design. Now let's talk about the most common category: circulated coins. A circulated 2008 €2 coin is one that has been used in daily life. It may have scratches, small hits on the rim, dull shine, and worn high points. For many high-mintage countries, circulated examples are usually worth face value or only a little more. In most cases, a circulated 2008 €2 coin is worth around €2, sometimes €2.50 or €3 if it looks unusually clean or if collectors are actively hunting that specific design. If the coin has heavy wear, deep scratches, corrosion, or obvious damage, it almost always stays at face value. Next comes the upgrade, uncirculated or BU, which means brilliant uncirculated. This is where value starts to lift. An uncirculated 2008 €2 coin should still have strong mint luster, sharp details, and no wear on the highest parts of the design. Tiny bag marks from mint handling can exist, but there should be no rub from circulation. Many BU 2008 €2 coins from common countries sell in a small premium range, often about €3 to €8 depending on the country and how nice the coin looks. If the coin comes from an original roll, a mint set, or was stored carefully, collectors will usually prefer it over a coin pulled from a pocket. After BU, the game becomes serious, high grade. High grade means the coin is not only uncirculated, but nearly flawless. This is where collectors start using grades like MS65, MS66, or higher. High-grade coins have clean surfaces, strong shine, and minimal marks. A high-grade 2008 €2 coin can sometimes sell for €10 to €40 or more, especially if the country or design is desirable and the coin is truly sharp and attractive. The difference between nice uncirculated and high-grade can be one small scratch, one cluster of marks, or a dull area where the luster breaks. Now comes the biggest value question. Is it commemorative? The €2 coin is the main denomination used for commemorative issues across the euro area. That means countries often release special designs on the national side to celebrate anniversaries, historic events, famous people, or national milestones. In 2008, several countries issued commemorative €2 coins, and many collectors focus heavily on these. A commemorative coin often looks clearly different from the regular national design, and it may have extra symbols, dates, or a special theme. Commemorative 2008 €2 coins can be worth more than normal coins even when circulated. Depending on the country and mintage, a commemorative 2008 €2 coin might sell for €4 to €25 or higher. Some were released widely into circulation, while others were mainly sold in collector packaging, which makes high-quality examples easier to find but also creates steady collector demand. Another category that can create a wow moment is errors. Real mint errors can dramatically increase value, but only if they are genuine and clearly visible. Things to watch for include off-center strikes where the design is shifted, double strikes or strong doubling in letters and details, clipped planchets where a piece of the edge is missing, unusual cracks or raised lines caused by damaged dies, or odd thickness and weight that suggests something went wrong during production. If an error is obvious and confirmed, values can jump into €20, €50, or even €100 plus depending on rarity and appearance. But be careful, damage after minting is not an error. Scratches, dents, heat damage, or chemical corrosion are not collectible errors. Here is a rule that protects value: do not clean the coin. Cleaning may make a coin look shiny, but it usually destroys collector appeal. Cleaning leaves hairline scratches and removes the natural mint surface. A cleaned coin can lose value even if it looks bright. If you want maximum value, keep it as is, handle it by the edges, and store it safely. So what is the real takeaway? A circulated 2008 €2 coin is usually just €2. A clean BU coin can be a small premium. A high-grade coin can be significantly more. A commemorative design can bring collector value even in used condition. And a real mint error can turn a simple coin into a serious find. Before you spend a 2008 €2 coin, check the countryside, check the design type, examine the condition under good light, and look for anything unusual, because the value is not in the year alone, it's in the details.